it came as a surprise to some that American sprint legend Michael Johnson chose Jamaica as the opening venue for the brand new cash-rich Grand Slam track series. But as the man said, the whole world knows that Jamaica is the sprint capital of the world, and introducing a credible event to the world of which the crown jewel is sprinting, then Jamaica and Jamaicans have got to be involved. I can't wait to see this venture unfold though. It's a much needed addition to the world athletics landscape, and if executed with the precision to match the vision, it should be as exciting as it is profitable. And speaking of profitable, it's long time Jamaican track athletes to increase their size of the slice of the multi-billion-dollar international sports pie, in which athletics have long been treated like a proverbial bastard child. And even if they don't increase the size of the slice, get some more slice of that money pie. Alive?